Here we are at 11 Lanigan Street in Birkdale.
This classic weatherboard home has had a stylish makeover and leaves nothing left to do for the new owners.
The renovation features a new kitchen and bathroom and a new roof and a host of other features whilst retaining a classic bungalow feel.
With seamless indoor-outdoor flow to a large, fully fenced freehold garden, you'll love entertaining here all year round. There's even a garage and heaps of storage. This home is 100% ready to move in and enjoy.
I'm David, this is Hannah. Let's go take a look.